Okay, language explorers, let's look at today's noun on Monday. Effect. How things change because of an action or decision. So water drops here and it affects outward. The ripple is affecting. The ripple it goes outwards. Its effect is felt. The ripple, the water affects its effects are felt on the water. Yeah. This will have a strange effect. Ooh. Drinking this will have a strange effect. Oh. Oh. The effects. So we have singular and S. 2 plus. The effects include being smarter and more educated. Yes, so the effects of learning English is that you can talk to more people. Yeah, how cool is that? It is a useful effect. It will have a useful effect on you. It will have a useful effect on you. How cool is that? Very good. That effect lasted for a long time. Yeah. That effect, that thing, that sound affected the area for a long time. It affected the neighborhood for years. That effect was felt for years. For years. Yeah. How is it affecting you? So this thing, the ripples, exactly. The ripples, yeah. How are they affecting you? Well, it's not affecting me. It is not affecting me. I can't feel the ripples. It is not affecting me. I can't feel it. The sound, the noise, the strange noise is not affecting me. It's not affecting me. It is too far away. It is too far away. I can't hear it. When will it take effect? Yeah. So, I had something to drink. When will it affect me? When will it affect me, this drink? Yeah. It will not have an effect on you. It is too weak. It is only water. No effect. It won't have any effect. It won't have any effect. Yeah. Does not change me. It doesn't change. Doesn't change me because of my action. By drinking this water has no effect on me. It doesn't change anything. As simple as that. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So there is no effect. It won't affect them. And the effects include being relaxed and smarter. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use effect in a sentence? Can you? If so, comment below. Comment below and put effect in a sentence. But also, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy as well. On Udemy. Yeah, just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.